Earning money on Venmo as a beginner can be straightforward if you leverage its features and combine them with your skills or services. Here are some effective ways to get started. Offer services. Use Venmo to receive payments for services you provide, such as babysitting, tutoring, dog walking, or freelance work. Share your Venmo handle with clients for easy transactions. Sell products. If you create crafts, art, or digital products, you can sell them and accept payments via Venmo. Promote your products on social media and provide your Venmo information for transactions. Group fundraising. Organize group events such as parties or outings and use Venmo to collect contributions. Create a shared Venmo account for group payments. Cashback offers. Some vendors offer cashback deals for payments made via Venmo. Take advantage of these offers when shopping or dining out to earn extra cash. Referral bonuses. Venmo occasionally has referral programs where you earn money for inviting new users to join. Check the app for current offers. Community engagement. Participate in local community events where Venmo is accepted, and network to find opportunities that pay.